Before I start my speech, let me tell you one thing. It is your duty to convince the evaluator to give me the full marks. Otherwise, I'm going to call you personally and repeat this speech 100 times. So be prepared for that. The guy today I'm going to talk about has history associated with him. He was born on a day when Mahatma Gandhi started Quit India movement. 3 years later, in 1945, Japan was bombed by America by dropping the Fat Man. Yes, I know your history is very weak. It's 9th August. So you can understand what kind of creature I am, or the person I'm talking about is. Initially, during his childhood, he was one of the number one pappus of his school days. So he decided that he'll study hard and make sure that he remains on the top of the class so that nobody can bully him. Eventually, he got into the college, which was one of the most recognized and one of the most established college in engineering, National Institute of Technology, Durgapur. He completed his mechanical engineering. During the mechanical engineering, he understood that study is not something that is going to make him excel in his life. So that engineering converted him from the studious person to one of the biggest nerds. And the people who knows him are very well aware of this fact, what kind of guy he is. He completed his engineering, started working for a German company. He had a good high paying job before he decided to screw up his own life once again. And he started a business in 2012. First 2 years were really very good. He started earning money, creating customers, and then he again took up something which he really loves, entered into too many things. He ruined his business, went into bigger debts, then slipped into the depression, and he was not ready to understand and accept that yes, he needs to change his own life and lives of the people around him. It took him whole 3 years to understand before he chose to change the life completely. He picked up a book by Jack Canfield called The Success Principles. It took him 64 days to read 64 pages. It was so deep shit written in that book. He was not ready to accept. So from there, his book reading journey started. He became a management consultant. He now consults 3 to 4 good engineering companies for their sales and application and engineering problems. He was doing pretty well. And then the lockdown happened in 2020. In the mid of the lockdown in June 2020, the news of Sushant Singh Rajput's death broke the whole world. And he started reading about why people commit suicide and all those things, and understood that 50% of Indians were suffering from depression in June 2020. So he, along with Ishita Hundia, started an initiative called Unleash, Recreate the I, where they speak about mental and emotional health issues. And now, so far, in last 6 months, they have spoken about on somewhere around 12 topics, which includes procrastination, mindfulness, how to say no, how to remain calm, anger management, and so many things. By the end of 2020, he again went into a new business venture where he's going to start a machine tool company, and he'll be working in the capacity of chief operating officer. Welcome, guys. The guy was Sunil Shanewal. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.